Welcome to the world of culinary convenience and precision. Today we're diving into the realm of immersion blenders. As kitchen essentials continue to evolve, these versatile tools have emerged as true game changers. In this exploration of the best immersion blenders, we'll guide you through a curated selection that combines power, efficiency, and design to elevate your cooking experience. From smooth soups to silky sauces, these blenders promise to be your trusted allies in the kitchen. Our review aims to simplify your decision-making process, ensuring you find the perfect immersion blender to meet your culinary needs. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, tips, or favorite immersion blender experiences in the comments below. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more exciting kitchen discoveries, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Let's blend together and create a community of culinary enthusiasts. In the fiercely competitive landscape of immersion blenders, Ganiza emerges as a standout performer, clinching a commendable third position in the dynamic world of kitchen gadgets. The Ganiza hand blender boasts an 800W full copper motor, silently and effortlessly tackling a myriad of blending tasks. Unlike conventional motors, the copper motor guarantees a remarkable 3x longer service life, ensuring durability and reliability. The brushed stainless steel body exudes sophistication while being scratch-resistant. Equipped with cross blades, this blender allows for nutrient extraction in a mere 15 seconds, making it the perfect tool for crafting smoothies, soups, baby food, and an array of culinary delights. The 15-speed control, complemented by a turbo boost mode, offers precise blending for various needs, giving users unparalleled control. The detachable parts, including blending, whisking, and frothing components, are crafted from professional-grade stainless steel, ensuring easy cleaning with warm soapy water or dishwasher use. The Ganiza electric hand blender is a comprehensive package, featuring a 15-piece set that includes a handheld blender, 800 milliliters mixing beaker, 1,500 milliliters chopper, julienne insert, slicing insert, whisk, and milk frother. With the ability to adjust thickness and a reminder for easy cleaning, this professional electric hand blender proves to be an ideal gift for any occasion, combining functionality with elegance in the world of kitchen appliances. Ganiza's immersion blender excels with an 800W copper motor for extended durability and a versatile 15-speed control, yet its stainless steel body demands meticulous cleaning attention. Experience the power and precision that Ganiza brings to your culinary endeavors. If you've had any experience with the Ganiza immersion blender or have any thoughts on similar gadgets, share them in the comments below. In the realm of immersion blenders, Peach Street Store distinguishes itself, claiming a noteworthy runner-up position that solidifies its presence in the competitive market. Sporting a robust 500-watt motor and 4 razor-sharp blades, this hand blender effortlessly tackles unruly lumps, stubborn clumps, tough meats, and rock-hard fruits, delivering seamlessly blended smoothies, soups, milkshakes, and batters. For an added punch of power and speed, the turbo button unleashes a boost perfect for handling challenging ingredients like frozen fruits or hard vegetables. The detachable stick blender ensures easy cleaning and storage with dishwasher-safe blades enhancing convenience, although the handheld blender stick demands a more delicate cleaning approach, avoiding immersion in water. The slim base of this portable blender provides a steady grip, facilitating blending directly in pots or storage containers. Crafted from supremely durable metal, this stick mixer is built to withstand the test of time, promising many years of joyous kitchen adventures. Peach Street Store's immersion blender excels with a powerful 500-watt motor, 4 sharp blades for versatile blending, and a convenient turbo button, but delicate cleaning is required for the handheld stick. If you've experienced the Peach Street Store immersion blender, or have insights on similar products, share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more comprehensive kitchen gadget reviews. Let's blend our way to culinary excellence together. Nutribullet stands as the epitome of immersion blender excellence, seamlessly fusing innovation, considerate design, and unparalleled quality, positioning itself as a top-tier choice in the expansive realm of kitchen gadgets. With a compact 350-watt motor, this immersion blender boasts the ability to blend ingredients directly in your cup, bowl, or pot, eliminating the hassle of transferring. Featuring a button control with a variable speed dial, Nutribullet provides a spectrum of blending options from high to low, ensuring ultimate texture control. The versatile stainless steel blade allows for the effortless blending of batters, dressings, dips, and even hot soups without the need for cooling or transferring. For added functionality, attach the whisk for creating fluffy whipped cream, eggs, and more. The Nutribullet Immersion Blender package includes a 350W motor body, stainless steel blending arm, whisk attachment, and a user and amp recipe guide. Crafted with longevity in mind, the machine sports a durable plastic motor body with a soft hand grip, along with stainless steel blade and whisk attachments. Maintenance is a breeze, simply hand wash the blade and whisk in warm, soapy water. Nutribullet's Immersion Blender shines with a compact 350W motor for versatile blending, a user-friendly variable speed dial, and durable stainless steel attachments, ensuring an unparalleled and hassle-free culinary experience. Nutribullet's commitment to blending efficiency and user-friendly design is evident in every aspect of this immersion blender, making it a reliable and versatile companion for a wide range of culinary endeavors. Share your Nutribullet experiences and insights in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and join our community in exploring the culinary possibilities this immersion blender offers. Let's blend our way to kitchen mastery together. In conclusion, Nutribullet's Immersion Blender combines power, versatility, and durability for a seamless blending experience. With a compact design and user-friendly features, it's a top-tier kitchen gadget. Share your thoughts below, hit the like button if you enjoyed the review, and subscribe for more insightful kitchen gadget reviews.